Hi mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you how I did the super easy install on this unit that I had from Nadula. So this is their V-part wig in the kinky straight texture. It perfectly imitates texlaxed or relaxed hair. I am so here for this wig because I am a relaxed girl, okay? Not only is this wig unit super flat, it is super duper easy to install. The hair on it, as you can see, is really nice and weightless. I do not have any problems with straightening. I have my iron up to 450 and this straightens perfectly. I am so here for it. So if you would like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Nadula, definitely go ahead and check the links in the description box. As reference, this is their kinky straight texture and I am wearing 22 inches. So if I go back here, it's pretty much around, hits under my boob, and I'm loving these 22 inches of gorgeousness. So easy to work with, so blendable with my real hair, and I'm so happy that I chose this texture. Again, the links will be in the description box. This unit is mad affordable, so if you have relaxed hair and you are a leave out type of girl, you just want to work with something else that gives you the same results as your relaxed hair would, or even better, definitely check this wig out if you are that type of girl. And if not, girl, it's time for something new, okay? New year, new hair. So I am so happy that I got this unit. This is definitely going to be one of those units that I could just throw on every day to run errands if needs be, and I don't want to put a lace on, so this works perfect. Thank you so much to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous wig, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna really just stop rambling right now. Let's jump into the tutorial so I can show you guys how I got my hair to look like this.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wine, but I think I'm here to solo, hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So this is the finished look. This wig is from Nadula. They went ahead and sent me their V-part kinky straight wig, and it's in 22 inches. After straightening, I feel like it gives off like Tex-Lax or texturized hair even. So if you don't know what that is pretty much when you have a perm or a relaxer or a texturizer and it hasn't been put on your hair to fully process, so you still have somewhat of that coarseness to your hair. This is definitely what it gives, but it still can pass for some silky shiny hair. It definitely gives off, like, this is the perfect example or perfect imitation of the texture of relaxed hair. So that's why I love it so much. This wig is so gorgeous. If anyone could really like pull off the texture of relaxed hair, I gotta definitely just give it up to Nadula. They always come through with a good quality hair and I'm loving it. If you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.